Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to use the Journal app to create a work planner. Just open the app and click on Create, select Sample Journals, and here you can find several useful templates. Now we need a work planner, so choose this one and then click on Use this journal. Here are the pages. You can easily edit any of these. You can write anything that you would like to, and then you will have to save it. And you can access this work planner anytime you want to from your main page. I hope it will be useful. Have a nice day.